Hi, welcome. Today let's make donut. First you have to get 2 cups of warm milk, and then you have to add your acting yeast into it, 1 tablespoon of yeast. Then you mix it and leave it to a side, maybe up to 10 minutes, and then you have to slowly add 2 eggs into it, and then 1 cup of melted butter, and then you mix it really well until it gets all mixed. And then you have to mix all your wet ingredients, and then you keep it aside and get ready for your dry ingredients. So let's get started for the dry ingredients. First, let's take 3 cups of flour, and then you have to add 1 cup of sugar into it, and you can also add more sugar if you want, and some salt for your taste. And then you have to add all your wet ingredients into it and start kneading it. If you're kneading by your hand, you have to add little by little and start kneading. Because I'm using a mixer, I'm just doing it by everything at once. And then once you knead it, leave it for 1 to 2 hours and let it rise. And then now we start to roll it. And then once you roll it as well, this is a tip, you have to leave around maximum 1 hour. Minimum, there's no minimum, you can leave as long as you want. So I'm using a lid here because I don't have a donut cutter. Maybe I'm gonna get it soon. So it's a very big lid, so it's so perfect size. And then you have to cut it into pieces and then leave it for, I left actually for 1 hour, and then I made around 30 donuts. So that's what I'm showing here. So I made so much of donuts so that my husband or my brothers, they're not gonna ask again. So that's it. And then you see I fry it, and then that's my final product. So hope you enjoy my video. See you with another recipe soon. Bye.